To my now wife and forever partner, on this day, the most remarkable and memorable day, I'm here to tell you that you look absolutely gorgeous.
You already knew.
Zach and Danielia, your story is a beautiful example of love and commitment. Today, as we gather here to celebrate your bond, we're surrounded by warmth of friendship, love of family, and the promise of a new beginning. Look around at the smiling faces and supportive gestures. Feel the excitement for the journey ahead.
I feel so blessed to love you, and even more so to be loved by you. To be loved is to be seen, and you see me for all that I am. You understand me sometimes more than I understand myself. You're always patient, kind, understanding, and gentle with me. You love me in a way that I never expected. You love me so fully and completely that I'm amazed that I was fortunate enough to find you. I love you so much.
Zach and Danielia, as you stand here before God, know that you're about to embark on a journey of love and commitment that is both rare and precious. Your bond is a testament to the strength of your relationship, and together, you'll navigate life's greatest gifts, ups and downs, with unwavering support. By the authority vested in me by the state of Florida, I do declare that Zach and Danielia to be husband and wife.
Each and every day, regardless of what kind of day I'm having, I'm reminded of what true love looks like. Whenever I would get a call, my day instantly got better. When I see you, I jump with excitement that it's hard to contain.
For how long I've known Zach and the things he's mentioned, which I promise it's all good things, that you two have something special. For the short amount of time that I've known you, it didn't take long for me to see the incredible bond that you and Zach share. It's obvious to anyone who sees you together that you two are a perfect match.
Thank you so much for coming to support Dani and Zach in this beautiful day. We're happy to be here, and I hope you guys are having a good time.
Stand up on their feet. Let's make some noise for our newlyweds.
So here's my vow to you. I promise to always be your safe place to burrow. Always provide you comfort. Always be someone you can depend on. Always solve our problems together. And always love you, my husband.
Do you take Danielia as your wife and companion?
I do.
He already said it. You got that? He said, okay, cool.